I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a business case study video. First, clearly define your video's objective and who you want to reach. Next, identify a compelling customer success story that truly showcases your value. Then, outline the key messages you want to convey and structure a narrative arc that will engage your audience from start to finish. This foundational planning ensures your video is focused and effective. Once your plan is set, it's time to storyboard. Create a detailed storyboard to visualize each scene and ensure a smooth visual flow. Then, write a concise script that clearly articulates the client's initial problem, your unique solution, and the measurable positive results achieved. Don't forget to craft thoughtful interview questions for your featured client to capture authentic testimonials. Now for production. Always use high-quality audio and video equipment to ensure a professional look and sound. Choose a professional, well-lit environment for filming interviews to make your subjects stand out. Remember to capture plenty of B-roll footage, like shots of your product in use or the client's operations, to enrich your visual storytelling and keep viewers engaged. Finally, the editing and distribution phase. Edit your video for clarity and conciseness, ensuring a strong call to action at the end. Optimize your video for different platforms like YouTube or LinkedIn by adjusting aspect ratios or adding captions. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Promote your video widely to reach your target audience and maximize its impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.